Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how you can use Chat GPT. So let's begin. So here we are in Chat GPT, and the first thing that I'm going to show you is a really fun one. It's about games. So did you know that you can play games here with Chat GPT? So let's ask Chat GPT right here. So let's type, let's play a game, just like that. And as you can see, it would affirm that it would be game. So let's go and send a message, and it asks us to let me know your preference so we can get started. It's asking what game to play, so let's just say whatever you want, just like that. So we let ChatGPT decide, and as you can see, it would start with a play a word association game, just like that. But you could also suggest some other games, just like, for example, I would suggest tic-tac-toe. So I would say, let's play tic-tac-toe instead. After that, it would affirm that, of course, tic-tac-toe it is. Here's the empty board right here. So you are the X and I'll be a O. And let's begin. You can make the first move. Which position would you like to place your X right here? So let's say I want to place it in the middle. So the middle here is 5. So I'm gonna go type 5 right here. And let's wait for the response right here. And as you can see, my X is played right there, and in return, the Chat GPT also placed its 0 or O right here, so it played this spot right here. And that's basically it. You can play games with Chat GPT. And the next thing that I'm going to show you is a really interesting one, which is I find really handy, is this one right here. I have this chat for like several weeks right now, and this is what I've been using. So from here, what we're gonna do is that we are going to program ChatGPT to be a template right here. So this is what it started like. So I want you to use this chat for my YT descriptions, and all I have to do is just provide a title, and it would just enter the title right here in its format right here. So it's really efficient for someone who is needing this for work, just like me. So once I did this, I provided the title and I instructed ChatGPT to just insert a title right here. And now all I have to do is just simply input a title, and automatically ChatGPT would create the description for me, and it's that easy. And if you don't want it to be like that, then you could also ask ChatGPT to add some emojis so that you could have your descriptions much more attractive and entertaining. But that is up to you, and that's the gist for this one. You can use ChatGPT as your template right here. So for example, if you want essays, then you can have it right away with ChatGPT. But of course, the limit is your imagination right here. It depends on how you ask ChatGPT to do something for you. So you gotta be creative in how you ask things about here in ChatGPT so that they could give you what you want. And yeah, that ChatGPT is pretty fun once you explore it. And that's basically it for this video.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.